Good day my guys, front of you, the Spike Killer system, updated version for 2024. See here, spike signal and spike appeared. This is the power of system. This is the accuracy. Let me show you results on MT5. See here guys, different results. Using this Spike Killer system, as you guys can see in screenshots, these are results from this Spike Killer system. How accurate with proper stop loss. Let's watch one more live example. Let's move on Spike Killer. Here you guys can see spike signal, SL3 candles. We are holding this straight. Look here guys, a big one, a biggest spike. This is the power, this is the accuracy of the system. We achieve a lot of result from this system. See here MT5 results. Look here, sniper trades, sniper entries using this Spike Killer system. Very awesome, good results. Look here, MT5 screen attached. Let me show you one more example. Let's move on MT5 terminal. Here you guys can see, waiting for spike. This is the signal. Keep watching guys. Look here guys, awesome, a big spike appeared. So the purpose is showing you to show you the accuracy of the system. We took a lot of withdrawal. Let's move on. Here you guys can see our withdrawal using this system through payment agent. Here you guys can see a lot of withdrawals using only this sniper system. If you guys want to have this system or VIP, you may ask us. Here you guys can see we also have VIP results.
See the system which is just on, and here we receive the signal.
Here is the spike signal with
for buy.
And
give us look here guys. Yeah,
thanks for watching.